Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And Microsoft Paint is missing, is not working. So how to fix this? So guys, first click to start and type PowerShell and right click to run as administrator and then click to yes. Then enter this command. This command I will give you in description so you can copy paste if and otherwise you can enter the manually. After that hit enter. Okay, when it is completed without any error, and then close it. Install Paint from the options feature. So click to start, type control panel. Okay, control panel, open it, then view by select the category and then click on program, then program and feature, and then you can see the turn windows on and off. So find out the Microsoft Paint. You can see Microsoft Paint. Yeah, this only. So if this is check, so check it and then click to OK and then close it. Okay, then last and very important, repair Windows corrupted file. Click to start, type cmd and right click to run as administrator, then click for yes for administrator access, then click to sfc space slash scan now and then hit enter. So it will start percentage like this and it will complete 100%, then restart. So this command for the corrupted Windows file, system file to recover and restore. Okay, so sometime what happened when you run this command, so it will stuck, so no worry about it. You just enter the hit command enter. Okay, it will hit enter, so it will start, restart it. Thank you. So if your issue is resolved, so please share, subscribe and comment also. And if you know, so again same comment I will guide you.